Hello everyone, this is HiTech Talk. So in this video, I will show you which nationality do you resemble must filter on Instagram as well as TikTok. So how to use this filter. So for that you need to open your Instagram application and there you need to search for names name taste filter. So you need to search with this name and you need to click on this face icon you can see on the middle, and you need to go down and you can see this one. Just click on this one and you need to click on try it, as you can see. So once you will press on this one, so in this way you can use this filter. So thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.